Please put on a headphone to hear the QuietComfort 45's active noise canceling. The Bose QuietComfort is almost a perfect headphone. Starting with its light design, I almost forget these are on during long sessions. It's easy to fold for travel. It also doesn't have a dust and waterproof IPX rating, so these are not meant for extreme outdoor activities. There's almost a non-existent clamping pressure. These stand at a reasonable $329, cheaper than the Sony 1000 XM4s. But I'm assuming these will frequently go on sale the same as the Sony 1000 XM4s. I'd recommend these for everyone and for any use except for people who are using it for fitness or outdoor activities. I have links down in my description where you can buy your very own. Subscribe if you liked my review and want to see more like my Jabra Elite 3 review.